I'm Xander.
And this is Lancer Nation News, but Roar and Snore edition. What are you most excited for about Lancer Nation News?
Sleeping in a tent!
What are you most excited for about Roar and Snore? What are you most excited for about Roar and Snore?
Being friends with you.
Yeah. What are you most excited for about Roar and Snore?
For you to leave.
What about you? Roar and Snore.
I'm most excited about not sleeping tonight and listening to all of you guys.
I think overnighter.
What are you most excited for about Roar and Snore?
Hearing the Lions roar tonight.
Okay. What are you most excited for about Roar and Snore?
I think the Lions, and then also watching all of you guys have last week.
Yeah. You too. What are you most excited for about Roar and Snore?
Yeah.
What about you?
What about you?
I'm most excited for the roars.
Yeah. What are you most excited for about Roar and Snore?
Not going to work.
Yeah. I've been bitten by a Sasquatch, which reminds me, we're going to show you our Sasquatch movie.
Yeah. It's gonna be real scary. So be prepared.
Wait, is that the Sasquatch?
Wait, it's just Sasquatch? We just saw it.
I'm bored.
Yeah.
We should go exploring. Let's go gather our friends.
Yes.
All right, guys. So we gathered you, and you, correct? Now, you might be wondering why we're out here.
Yeah, why are we out here? Yeah.
We're bored.
Yeah, we were bored.
So-
we need some more talking about. Let's explore the area.
Yeah.
Why not we do it today?
So we're gonna look for the Monkey Man, who was considered a legend.
Yes.
Scatter! Everybody, split up! Okay, let's do a head count first. We got Dylan, Morton, Isaac. Wait,
Where's Lucas?
Where's Lucas? Where's Lucas? Ah!